morning everyone. I am Manya Ranjan
And I am Anvi Tyagi.
And today we are here from DUPS, Noida Extension, participating in Build a One Indicate RBA Samrit Bharat. Our team name is Bipod and today we will be discussing a trivial matter.
What is a hand pump? A hand pump is usually used to draw water. It uses a vowel and an ear suction to pull up the water with the help of lever. It is usually found in rural areas. It uses the groundwater, pulling it up and being used for daily life with, for the village peoples, including drinking.
The filtration. Approximately every year, 2 lakh people die from the lack of clean water. And hand pumps present in villages don't have a filter system. They drink and use street groundwater, which can cause diseases in some cases.
The idea: a portable filter system attached made specifically for taps, pumps, etc. How it is made? The filter will be detachable and replaceable. The filter will be in rectangular shape, modified to small in size and still having the layers. The first and second layer will be of carbon and charcoal, followed by fine and porous silex, and then small nets of mash to strain big impurities and to clean water, making sure comes down the tap and the pure fresh water. For the container itself, it will be made of hard aluminium.
Why the use of hard aluminium? Hard aluminium is the best material to use while handling water, as it doesn't react to it and is used already in various homes. It isn't much expensive and doesn't react with fresh water. But in many hand pump areas, it is uncertain if the water is fresh or salt. So to avoid the aluminium to wear down, the filters will be replaceable. And just to make sure if the water is alkaline or acidic, the filter will be galvanized by a method called electroless nickel plating, involving a chemical process that deposits uniform coating of nickel phosphorus alloy into the aluminum surface, and regularly will be replaced again to fully wear down. To be avoid fully wearing down. The aluminium filters will also be replaced, and when they are replaced, the leftover material can be melted again and used, as it is infinitely recyclable and does not hesitate in its quality.
The layering question: the activated carbon, ridges, silex, porous silex and fine silex, mouth, mesh nets, pebbles.
Pros and cons. Pros. It is easily detachable and can be replaced easily. It will make sure every person, whether they be in rural areas or urban, can have pure water, as filter can be used in home taps too. Cons. They will be replaced at least once in 2 months. It won't be that cheap, and in cases with acidic or alkaline water, the number of replacements will increase.
Implementation. Many CSR projects are done by the big companies. Our best example being this Tata Steel CSR, as it's already the root level in the market. It can help in the correct disposal, partnership with local NGOs, and can also done to spread awareness.
Conclusion. This device tries to purify water in every area, whether it be urban or rural. The filter system would work to remove the impurities which can be removed manually. It will have activated carbon by adsorption, and as the project will grow, we can add UV filter or RO filter to combat the impurities left by the carbon filter. Alongside the carbon, many nets or mesh will be also present to make sure big impurities don't get left behind too. In conclusion, this device can be a great impact for villages and reducing number of people dying by the issue of water sanitation and the lack of clean water. Thank you.